Hello everyone, welcome back to another question from a series of 30 Days of Pandas in LeetCode. In today's question, we are going to solve the second highest salary. Actually, the question is similar to the video that I already created about another question in this series to find the nth highest salary. And the difference is that what we need to do is that we take the input as a data frame with a column ID and salary, and we find the second highest distinct salary from the employee tables. And if there is no second highest salary, we will return null. And the important thing is that the return format should be, we have a data frame, we have second highest salary, and then we return the number, or we say second highest salary and we return null because we do not have the second case. To do this, what we need to do is that first we need to drop the duplicate for the salary values because we talk about the distinct salary, and then we sort the values because we want to find the second highest. So we update the employee by taking the employee data frame and that drop duplicates, and the subset that I will use is to drop the duplicate on salary, and what to keep is for me is in this case first, and then we sort the values by salary, and the ascending is false. Why? Because we want to have the highest distinct salary based on the number. The highest one will be the 0, second highest first, I like 1, I like 2 is the third highest, and so on. And what we will keep is only the salary because the ID is not required in the question. Then it says if there is no second highest salary, we should return null. So if len of this employee is less than 2, we simply return pd.dataframe, and the data frame that I have is the column will be second highest salary, and the value that I have is, as you see here, return none. That's the thing that we are going to do, and we continue with second highest salary, which will be employee dot ilog 1. As I mentioned, the second highest salary will stop at the 1 because we start the values from the index 0. And we simply return pd.dataframe with second highest salary being this value. Okay, let's see the test case. Case 1 and 2 is correct, and let's submit. And that's it. So we simply drop the duplicate because the distinct salary, we sort the values by ascending being false to have the highest one at the index 0, second highest one at the index 1, and so on, and keep the salary. And if the len of the employee is less than 2, which gives us the second highest salary, we return none. And other than that, we simply return the second highest salary in the format that is required in the question. Thank you very much for your attention. If there is any question, I will answer it in the comment section. And you can help me by subscribing and following my videos. Thank you very much.